Once again, y'all, this is Sunber's 7x5 Jerry curly wig, pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-cut. I mean, just right to go, ready to go, right out of the package. This is the final look of the unit. It's beautiful. I absolutely love it. Check the description box for all of the links and info and discount code. Huge shout out to Sunber Hair for sponsoring today's video. Y'all, and this is the beautiful unit. This is Sunber's 7x5 Jerry curly wig. It is pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-cut. I mean, everything. It is just ready to go straight out of the box. I did add a little bit of powder to the lace just to help camouflage it into my skin a little bit, but that's all you need to do. So here I'm just cutting a little bit of layers just to kind of give it some shape. It looked good straight out the bag, honestly, but I always like to just give a little shape, you know, just so it can kind of just, you know, all flow together. It's a little bit shorter at the top, longer at the bottom. You'll see when it all comes together at the very end. Could have just left it like this. This look cute. Like, I really like this, but let's put some product in it just to see how the curls bounce back, just to see how the curls take product. But honestly, in its natural state, it was giving bomb.com. So what do y'all like better? Do y'all like the side with the products in it? All it is just some cream, some mousse, some water. Do y'all like that side better, or do y'all like the all natural side better? To me, I like both. I really can't decide which one is the cutest. I think they both fit me, and I think they will both be cute on anybody. So I'm just gonna go ahead and finish it off here. I did add more product to the opposite side, and then I just sprayed it with a wig sheen. So it just, as you see right there, it just gives it a nice extra luster. So this is about 2 hours later. I did let the hair dry to about 75–80%. So I'm just gonna take the edge band off. If y'all noticed, I didn't do anything to the baby hairs. The baby hairs, that is how they came out the pack. I didn't put gel on them. I didn't brush them, anything. They literally came out perfect. I have never had a wig where the pre-made baby hairs came out just absolutely perfect. But on this Sunber pre-everything unit, it did.